Marc, was that 2 points dropped or 1 point gained in a very hard tussle of the traeth against Llannefydd this afternoon?
I'll tell you at the end of the season, it's 2 points dropped today. Feels like that. Feels like a defeat. You know, the lads give everything today. Can't fault any one of them. Every single player played well. Work rate was there. They made it hard for me to actually make substitutions, and I was forced into making a few decisions. But yeah, 2 points dropped, maybe a point gained, but we'll see at the end of the season.
That's how it's going to be. We'll see at the end of the season. We had 2 goals, some good goals as well, and creative play in the midfield. That created the goals as well.
Yeah, I think Kyle played really well today. He didn't stop running. Sean next to him as well. Kai, the whole midfield, everyone played well. As I said, I can't fault anyone. I'm just disappointed with conceding that second goal. It was just one long ball. Seems I'd have to watch it back, but it seemed like a really soft goal to concede. So.
It came on the right-hand side of the pitch from the left back who'd run across. That's what makes it difficult as well.
Yeah, and it's the fact that he's ran through one touch on his chest, got it down, and unable to finish. So it's very simple. But you know, we scored 2 goals, took 1 point, as we keep saying.
We're back against Bridge Tigers on Saturday.
Yeah, again, we only played them a couple of weeks ago. They're a must improve squad. So we've got to go there, put in a performance, get 3 points. And as I keep saying all the time, see where we are at the end of the season.
Win the games and see where we are.
Yeah.
Diolch, Marc.
Diolch.